Dinosaur Fossils by Karen J. Rothbart. This book shows how scientists figure out facts about dinosaurs. Dinosaur fossils. Please follow along as we read, paying close attention to those highlighted vocabulary words and the context clues that might help us figure out what they mean. Suppose you went for a walk and found a bone inside a rock. Would you be amazed? Look at the girls in this photo. The girls here would probably be amazed if they found a bone inside a rock. Why do you think they would be so surprised? How might their faces look? You might have discovered a dinosaur fossil. If you found a real dinosaur, it might have growled at you. But fossils don't growl. Here we see our label, fossil. How does this photograph help us understand what a fossil is? As we can see, a fossil is left behind from something that lived millions of years ago. Fossils are often discovered in rock. How do you think fossils like this one are discovered? A fossil is left by an animal or a plant from long ago. One kind of fossil is a footprint fossil. Here in the photograph, we can see the footprint fossils that are labeled here. How do you think these were created? By looking at a footprint fossil, scientists can tell if a dinosaur walked on 2 legs or 4 legs. They can also tell how fast the dinosaur moved. Egg fossils and nest fossils are 2 other kinds of fossils. Sometimes only egg fossils are found. Sometimes only nest fossils are found. And sometimes they are found together. Here is an egg fossil. Scientists can look at an egg fossil and tell if a dinosaur ate meat or plants. Scientists can look at a nest fossil and tell the exact number of eggs that were in the nest. Here in the photograph, we can see the nest fossil. Fossil dinosaur eggs have been found, and sometimes scientists find a whole nest of eggs. If scientists find a nest, they can count the exact number of eggs that a dinosaur laid. Can you tell the exact number of eggs in the nest in this picture? Why or why not? Scientists must remove dirt from the fossils to study them. They study dinosaur bones to learn how big the dinosaurs were. They also learn what the dinosaurs ate and how they moved. Look at that photograph. We're going to use it. Look how carefully and patiently this scientist moves. He's working to remove fossils from the earth. He needs to take his time. Do you think it would be interesting work to remove fossils from the earth? Why or why not? Bone fossils can be made into a dinosaur skeleton. Dinosaur skeletons are put in museums. The museum guards them to keep them safe. Dinosaur skeleton. The best place to see dinosaur fossils is at a museum. People at the museum can explain even more about fossils. You can even buy a souvenir at the end of your visit. The next time you go for a walk, look carefully at the rocks. You never know what you might find. In your reader response journal, you are going to make a web like this one. In the middle, you're going to write the word discover. What kind of things have you discovered? Make a word web around the word discover. Have you found footprints? Have you ever found a nest? Then add in some other items you've found. Now take a few minutes to write a few sentences. Many people discover fossils. Write a few sentences describing the kinds of fossils you could find. Use some words from the word builder.